Moderna is planning to submit its trial results of its COVID-19 vaccine for school-age children to the FDA. The company says its vaccine for kids 6 to 11 shows a strong immune response and appears safe. More than 4,700 children were part of that trial. As for Pfizer's vaccine, tomorrow an FDA committee will meet to discuss the findings of the company's trial for kids ages 5 to 11 years old. If the committee votes in favor of adding those younger children, the FDA will make a final decision about authorization. Then the CDC will meet next week to weigh in. Let's bring in our chief health editor, Dr. Partha Nandi. Dr. Nandi, the CDC director, stressed that many children are still vulnerable to this virus, but there was one key thing she said would help keep kids safe. What is it?
Brian, Dr. Rochelle Walensky talked about masks, and I've been talking about masks the whole time. I completely agree with her. Children are more vulnerable now due to infection and because of the more contagious Delta variant, especially the kids who are attending in-person learning. And so having our kids wear masks is not only safe, right? It's also a very effective preventative measure. And there's plenty of science to back this up. Studies, we just talked about this in the previous story, studies have shown that schools that don't mask up are more likely to have COVID-19 outbreaks compared to schools that do require masks. So please do not ditch the mask. Even if Pfizer's lower dose vaccine, remember it's 10 micrograms instead of the 30 micrograms that I took. If it's approved for kids 5 to 11, we should still continue with preventative measures, as it'll take some time for the vaccines to roll out and the kids to get the shots, right? I'm excited, and we'll know soon if the vaccine is a go. Tomorrow, as we said, the FDA's independent vaccine advisory board is meeting to review Pfizer's clinical data. If they give the green light, the CDC's advisory board meets next week, November 1st and 2nd, for their discussions. So fingers crossed.
Well, Doc, COVID-19 cases are on the decline, at least right now. Do you think that parents will be more reluctant to get their kids vaccinated because of this?
I'm really happy that the cases are declining, but even if the case numbers continue to go down, we're heading into what? The winter months. And what does that mean? More people indoors, more opportunity for the virus to infect others. What parents need to know is this, that the kids in the US make up about a quarter of the weekly reported COVID-19 cases. And yes, right, kids' risk of hospitalization and severe disease is lower, but it still happens. And sadly, there have been over 600 pediatric deaths so far. Too big of a number. And wouldn't it be great, Brian, if fewer kids died from COVID-19? And to me, that's a real possibility because Pfizer's clinical trial data suggests, right, that the vaccine was 90.7% effective against symptomatic disease in kids 5 to 11, even at the lower dose. So if the FDA, the CDC, and the independent agencies determine that Pfizer's vaccine for younger kids is safe and effective, I would strongly endorse it. And two of my kids are in that age group, will definitely get vaccinated. So kids, in my opinion, right, should be protected. Vaccine for younger kids will help with herd immunity, and that will help control this pandemic. So I'm looking forward to what the CDC, the FDA, and the agencies have to say.
And we all are. Dr. Nandi, as always, grateful for your time and expertise. Thank you.
My pleasure. Thank you.
And if you have a coronavirus question for the doctor, you can email him, Dr. Nandi, at askdrnandi.com, or send it to us on Facebook or Twitter.